Within 17 days to manage 600 bed facilities on 4 to 10 floors. The basic solution available to us as a consultant is a brick masonry. It requires a curing, then a specific curing period. Besides this, we are not satisfied because considering the sterilized condition, sanitized condition inside the ward, within the passages, within the ICUs, we are in search of something that can helpful to us to generate all those facilities. Majority of the other state laborers has evacuated the state, Gujarat, particularly the Surat. The challenging thing for us is the fire resistance of that building material. I require a material which is having a fire resistance of at least minimum 1.5 to 2 hours. We have observed that if any material which is available to me can be executed, can be casted on site in a very short span of periods, we have decided to go with the drywall solution. Being a principal consultant, tested this material by just applying a fire gun at around temperature of 2500 degrees. Straight away we applied this gun to drywall material, and for the 2.5 minutes we have checked it that whether this drywall material gets burnt or having any hole or hollow things over there, or whether it loses specific weight or density. But I am happy to say yes, that drywall material has responded well. It's a moldable material. In playing anywhere, any of the modification, alteration suggested by the medical authority, or being a consultant, whatever I have suggested gets modified or molded, I think within no time, to cover that toilet blocks. Because you see, from the sterilization point of view, sanitization point of view, that particular area shall be covered from top of the slab to the bottom of the slab, that is the finished floor level to the slab. And for that we have used this drywall material, and even on that material itself we have hung our geysers and other suspended elements also. Surat requires a bed facility, medical healthcare facility. Government are insisting to provide that facility. I am happy to say yes, because of this drywall technology, I am in a position to deliver it to Surat and to South Gujarat, the 1400 bed capacity within a 1.5 months.